Ever accidentally deleted your Gemini account? Or maybe you just can't seem to log in anymore? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into how to recover your Gemini account. We'll cover everything from password resets to account recovery options, so you can get back to using this powerful AI tool in no time. Gemini, Google's cutting-edge AI model, offers a range of impressive capabilities, from generating creative text to answering your complex questions. But what happens when you lose access to your account? It can be frustrating, especially if you rely on Gemini for work, studies, or simply for fun. We understand the importance of having access to your account and the valuable data associated with it. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you navigate the account recovery process smoothly. Let's start with the most common scenario: you've forgotten your password. Access the Gemini login page. Go to the official Gemini login page. Look for the Forgot Password or Can't Access Your Account link. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will typically be presented with a few options. Email recovery. If you've linked an email address to your account, you can usually request a password reset link to be sent to your inbox. Phone number recovery. If you've provided a phone number, you might receive a verification code via SMS. Check your inbox/SMS. Look for the email or SMS containing the password reset link or code. Create a new password. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new, strong password. Here are a few tips for creating a strong password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Consider using a password manager to generate and securely store strong passwords. Account recovery. When password reset fails. If the password reset options aren't working for you, don't panic. Here are some steps you can try. Check for account activity. Review your recent account activity to see if there are any suspicious login attempts. This might indicate a security breach. Contact Gemini support. Look for a Contact Us or Help section on the Gemini website or within the application itself. Explain your situation. Clearly explain the issue you're facing and provide as much information as possible, such as the last time you successfully accessed your account, any recent device changes, or any potential security concerns. Let's address some common issues you might encounter during the account recovery process. Account not found error. This could happen if you've mistyped your email address or if the account has been deleted. Try double-checking your email address and contacting Gemini support. Verification issues. If you're having trouble receiving verification emails or SMS messages, check your spam folder or contact your email/phone provider. Technical difficulties. Sometimes, temporary technical issues can prevent you from accessing your account. Try logging in again later or clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Now, let's talk about how to prevent these issues from happening in the future. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Keep your contact information updated. Ensure that your email address and phone number associated with your Gemini account are up to date. Regularly review account activity. Monitor your account activity for any suspicious logins or unauthorized access. Create strong and unique passwords. As mentioned earlier, use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Protecting your Gemini account is crucial for several reasons. Data privacy. Your account may contain personal information or sensitive data that you don't want to fall into the wrong hands. Account integrity. Unauthorized access to your account could be used to perform actions on your behalf, such as generating misleading content or making purchases. Preventing account hijacking. By following these security best practices, you can minimize the risk of your account being hijacked by malicious actors. For the most up-to-date information and assistance, I recommend checking the official Gemini support channels. Gemini Help Center. The Help Center usually contains a wealth of information, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information. Gemini Community Forums. Connect with other Gemini users and seek help from the community. Social media. Follow the official Gemini social media accounts for updates and announcements. Losing access to your Gemini account can be frustrating, but with the right steps and a bit of patience, you can usually recover your account and get back to using this powerful AI tool. By following the tips and guidelines outlined in this video, you can minimize the risk of future account issues and ensure the security of your Gemini account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.